Very good morning, students. On last turn of your online English class, I explained the uses of indefinite articles, and today let's take new topic omission of the article. Okay, so here we see that the article is omitted, so in which case we omit articles, this we will see. So basically with the names of substances we do not use any article. As you can see here, before names of some of substances and abstract nouns which are the qualities of human beings. Okay, like he is very honest, so we will not say the honesty. Okay, so honest is adjective, whereas if we say that honesty, so that is noun. Okay, and it is abstract noun. So for example, uncountable nouns, with uncountable nouns we need not to use any uncountable nouns, we need not to use any article. Okay, so here we see the examples. Sugar is bad for your teeth. Next, gold is a precious metal. Wisdom is the gift of heaven. Honesty is the best policy. Virtue is its own reward. Okay. Afterward, we see some exceptions are always there in English grammar, like in tenses when we say that with singular person we use has or we use is or does, but in some of the cases we see that with singular person I we use do, have and am. Okay, so why we don't use their is with I, and why we don't use does or has? Because I is considered the first person, because of that we use these. Okay, plural helping verbs. Now here the same type of exception we see, that uncountable nouns take the. Uncountable nouns also take article the when they are used in a particular sense. Okay, the same way you would have heard that in one of the plays of Shakespeare there is a sentence spoken by Brutus when he says that all the waters, while water is an uncountable noun, but here the waters means that water which will be brought to wash the stains of his clothes. So here he says that would you pass me the sugar. So here the sugar and there in that sentence the water have come in some special particular sense. So in these two types of sentences we need not to use any, sorry, we can use some articles, especially article the. Okay, only definite article the can be used here. Would you pass me the sugar? And the wisdom of Solomon is great. Solomon was a king who was considered the greatest and the wisest king. So I can't forget the kindness. The kindness is also a virtue, quality of a person, and it is kindness means noun. But here what we have used the means that particular kindness what I am receiving, what he poured upon me, that kindness. Okay, so I can't forget the kindness with which he treated me. Then we see before plural countable nouns use in a general sense, as children like chocolates. Okay, children like chocolates before plural countable nouns used in a general sense. So we do not use any article like the. We do not use definite article the with such sentences, with such nouns where they are used in general sense. General sense means not us means there is no child who does not like chocolates. So we say children like chocolates. In place of that we can say children like swings. Okay, computers are used in many offices. So this is general truth, or we can say general topic or general statement that we are speaking this. Computers are used in many offices. Next is note that such nouns like take the when used with a particular meaning, as Where are the children? So here the children means the children belong to our family, children who belong to us. The person asks about those children who belong to him. So in this case they say, where are the children? Okay, but when we see many children playing in the park, there we need not to use the with children. There we can say children are playing in the park means many children. Okay, the children on the swings, the children on the swings look very happy. So here in this sentence we are specifying, we are pointing out a particular group of children, those who are on swings. Okay, so I think this will be clear to everyone. Still there are many more, and I don't think that all can be finished today. So some will be taken tomorrow, okay, on next turn. And I just want you to make few sentences on the basis of these three rules which I have taught you today. One is uh, the article is omitted before names of substances. Second is, in some of the cases we use article the with uncountable nouns also, and then before plural countable nouns which are used in general forms, general sense. Okay, so just make some sentences. This time I am not going to give you any exercise from the book. You have to form your sentences where you will use these rules of articles. Okay, so on next turn I'll continue this topic. Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.